How you can compress PDF in CamScanner. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open the CamScanner app on your phone, and then open the PDF file you want to make smaller. Once the file is open, tap on the three dots or menu button you see on the screen. Now you will see a compress option, so tap on that. After that, you will see choices like low, medium, or high quality. Choose medium if you want a good balance of size and how it looks, or pick high if you want it even smaller. Then tap the compress button. Once it is done, tap the share button. Now you can choose to save it on your device, send it by email, or share on WhatsApp or other apps. If you want to save it to your phone, just tap Save to Local or Save to Device. Now you can open your File Manager app, go into your storage or download folder, and find the folder called CamScanner. In there, you'll see your new, smaller PDF file, and you can compare it with the old one to see how much size you saved. And that's it. That's how you can compress PDF in CamScanner.